In this video, I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT on a school Chromebook. So when it comes to getting ChatGPT on a school Chromebook, chances are ChatGPT is blocked and you're not able to use it. But do not worry guys, because there is a simple workaround, and that is to use ChatGPT alternatives that use the exact same technology, and sometimes they even do it better than ChatGPT. So currently, one of my favorite AIs to use at the moment is called Grok. So go ahead and look up Grok just like so, and then you just want to go to the official x.ai website just like so, and basically from here, you should be able to go ahead and use it. Now, the thing about Grok is that it is relatively new and it's not as popular as ChatGPT, meaning that schools likely won't have this website banned. So please go ahead and consider using Grok instead of ChatGPT. There's a less likelihood that this is actually blocked on your computer system or something like that because it's not as popular as ChatGPT, but you're still able to do the exact same things. If you need to go ahead and write an essay or maybe do a problem for you, Grok could do that just like ChatGPT. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.